Joining us now for the Trader Rundown is Todd Bubba Horwitz, and he's reacting to that Fed announcement yesterday. What do you think here?
Well, I think that the Fed remains relatively dovish. There's talk, that they're going to raise rates in December, which is everybody's figured already. The real question is how are they going to unwind their balance sheet, and the talk made it more dovish because they can unwind, or they could actually do a backdoor rate hike by speeding up the unwinding process. But of course, it can also let those bonds that they own go to maturity where they don't have to do anything. So it really makes a lot of sense that the markets are still dovish and we're still seeing some positive action.
So do you think we're going to drift higher from here?
Well, at some point I think we will sell off, but again, I've said that for I don't know how many weeks in a row, but at the end of the day, they're going to drift until there's some volume and volatility comes back. As long as volume remains on the sidelines and as long as volatility is not here, the markets will drift higher. Markets are predisposed to go higher because every day money flows in from IRAs, from pension funds and things like that. So when the markets are dull, you don't want to sell into a dull market. That's an old adage from traders.
You come in every day, and like many traders, you're waiting for a correction. What signals or signs are you watching?
It's going to be a black swan event that we can't really talk about right now. We don't know what it is. It could have been North Korea. It still may be eventually, but right now it's not. But it's not going to be economic. It's going to be something that forces volatility to come back in the market and that spooks the average investor. But right now, the complacency level is so high with investors, they don't care. We know we're going up. We know we're never going down again. And that's kind of this time is different attitude they have right now.
What goes up must come down.
Well, we do think that it will come down. But of course, remember, a lot of people think that this time is different and it won't change. And that's kind of how we end up in these kind of markets.
Maybe they're right.
Well, it could be right. It'd be the first time in 5,000 years they were right. But yes, it could happen.
Anything's possible.
100%.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Great to be here.